how to plug in an iOmega external USB 2.0 120 GB hard drive. Simply plug the power and the data/power cord into the USB, and then plug the micro USB into the micro USB slot on the hard drive. The activity light will start blinking, and it will appear on your Mac desktop or PC users in My Computer. There it is.